Hi guys, Eric here from Melozo. Today we're going to have a quick look at not a watch or strap, but a t-shirt from Apt Independent. Just a disclaimer that I purchased the t-shirt with my own money, but I did reach out to Andrew to get more information about the company. To give a brief history about the company, Apt Independent was born in 2021, but discussion started as early as 2020. The idea is to create designs inspired by elements of independent watchmaking. Getting to where it is now was not easy. For example, Andrew went through a few samples to select the most suitable cotton for the designs. His fascination for watch movements and the essence that goes into watchmaking made him want to put the same effort into the t-shirts. The outcome was selecting Pima cotton. Pima's threads are longer, making it softer yet more durable. Another element that was added was a heavier weight on the fabric, giving it a sturdy and well-produced feel. I ordered, I think, 3 t-shirts of 3 different designs. One from FP Journe Octa Elements, one is the Kudoke Myth Pop Art, and the other one is Lane Details. I find that these 3 designs are actually one of the nicest, and of course the one that fits me the most in terms of my taste in watches as well. So I think we have a few stickers. These are very nice. Reminds me of because I usually order the one from Sticker Mule. So these are very nice stickers. Let's see, we have, I think these are some of the ones I actually haven't ordered, but this is nice. I like this one. Oh, there's actually a handwritten note at the back. Oh, can't read it, but I'll see what I'll do the best I can. Eric, a big Apt Independent thank you for ordering or for picking up 3 of the Pima tees. We hope you love your tees and are here to help for whatever reason. For longer lasting tees, we recommend a cold wash and a low temperature dry. I typically throw mine in the wash inside out. Pro tip. Oh yeah, that's actually a very important note that when you actually wash expensive t-shirts or t-shirts that you want to make it longer, always put it inside out, print inside, and even if you dry your clothes, it's also recommended that you do the same thing. Thank you, Andrew. So let's quickly have a look at the t-shirts. So I'll probably start with this Kudoke one, because this is the one that I really like. I'll put this one on the side. And you can see, so the nice thing about this designs is, you know how some people actually wear t-shirt that says Rolex and on the front, these designs are for people who love watches. So basically, for the watch enthusiast, by a watch enthusiast. You wouldn't go around and go oh, I know what this is, it's a watch related. No, it could be something people thinking is an astrology based t-shirt design, but in reality it's faces of the moon. So really nice. It's a really nice well thought out design. Let's put this on the side. I'll probably put my cutter on the side as well. So again, Pima cotton, very nice, very supple. So that is nice. You have to admit, that is a nice design. And can't wait to pretty much get some full body shots with this picture. I wouldn't mind wearing this almost every day. Let's go for the other ones, and I think label large, 100% Pima cotton, hand drawn, made in Peru, machine wash cold, tumble dry low. Well, I don't really tumble dry mine anyway. But yes, this is for this one. So let's see what are the other t-shirts. So I'll put this one on the side. So this one is the one by Lane. I've always considered buying a Lane. No jokes. The problem I've had was the one that I really want is quite big. I think it was 40 millimeter with close to 50 millimeter lug to lug. And given how I wear with my Speedmasters, Seamasters, my wrist is really small and I can't really wear something that long. And the Galidos V38, though it is very nice, the movement is not to my liking. The micro rotors Though I think the micro rotor itself is not really handmade, but custom. The rest is created by I forget the name of the company. I'll put it in the description. I can't pronounce it either way. So this is the one by Lane. Again, very nice. I'm a very monochromatic person. Like most of my clothes are either black, white, black or white for the most part, 80%. The rest are anything from Uniqlo. So this is very nice. Again, nobody like this is a little bit more obvious for a watch collector. They might go like, oh, where did you get this T-shirt? You know, people get excited when they see movements. So it will be very interesting to see what reactions I'm gonna get. Very nice design, hidden gears. You know, you get the jewels. It's really cool, and very easy to wear. Probably I could even wear this casually with like a suit on the outside because winter in Australia. Get some thick jacket, then this will look pretty good. Then we'll go to the last one. And the last one is a Donkey Kong. I thought I ordered the F region, but turns out I didn't. I ordered the Donkey Kong one. For those who are unaware, JNS means JN Shapiro. Very nice watches. I wish I could buy one, but you know, I'm a fan of Lange. I'm sticking with the brand, but you know, I'm still gonna buy other brands. But if I have that amount of money, I would buy another Lange to add to my collection. But again, this will be a very nice for people who are into gaming. You have Donkey Kong, but at the same time, something very different. Nobody would think that you are a watch. Like they might think like, oh, it's just a clock, but nobody would think like, oh my god, it's JN Shapiro, unless you're really into horology. So yeah, 3 t-shirts. Can't wait to try them all. I'll see if I could post some pictures in my Instagram. So follow my Instagram. I'll tag App Independent and see how it looks like in real life. But as of the moment, again, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you have any questions, and leave some comment below, and I will see you in my next review.